In this video, I'll show you how to join Discord servers on mobile. So there's two ways that you can do it. The first way is if you have an invite from someone, and the second way is if you go on Discord Discover through your search engine. So if you press our home button and come to messages, this is one way that you can join a Discord server. If one of your friends invited you, it'll look like this, and you simply press the green join button, and now you'll be a part of that Discord server. Alternatively, you can come to your search engine and type in Discord Discover, and that'll give you a list of different public Discord servers that you can join, so you can filter by categories and then choose one that you like and join the server that way. Accept invite. So that's how to join Discord servers on mobile. Thank you for watching.